Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the warm up mode for leftovers like for soup or stew on your TherMOMIX TM7. Warming things up is very easy. All you need to do is go to the mode selection button, then select warm up. Now remember to avoid warming up with too dry or too dense dishes because they may burn, they may brown, and well, that's not something you would want to do. For thicker stews or thick soups, you may want to use a butterfly whisk to ensure better mixing. And as you can see here, there are different settings of the temperature, and you can also change the speed to 2, 1, or gentle stir. I'll leave it on 1. And the temperature can be set from 37 to 90 degrees. 37 is for baby foods, 45 to 50 at speed 2 for delicate egg-based sauces, like hollandaise sauce, for example. Then 70 degrees at least for cooked leftovers. 80 to 85 for milk of any type to prevent overboiling, and 90 degrees for cooked leftovers only when heating a volume of 1 liter or higher. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.